So now we switch gears and talk about the RO water storage tank. Some people call this a reserve tank or a finished tank, or the reverse osmosis tank. It's really just storage, because it takes anywhere from an hour to 2 hours to fill up a gallon or two of finished water, depending on your system, which I'll call a rig, depending on your rig, the way it's built. This is actually mine, so this makes this pretty easy. It looks like it's a PA-E. So if you have something else, you can put it there. I probably thought I was going to put this here for the brand, but you know, I also have it down here. You don't have to put anything there if you don't want to, but if you have some extra thing that you want to put in the way of a comment, you can certainly put it there. Like this has an ISO certification, which is International Standards Organization. So it has an ISO rating of 9001, which means it meets those requirements regardless where it's been manufactured. The model number, this is an RO-122. These numbers mean nothing to us in terms of, like, does that represent 1.22 gallons? No, don't go by that. It's just how they came up with a particular model number for this tank. This tank actually handles like 2 gallons of finished water, and even then you're going to have some air in there that has a rubber bladder that is full of air, kind of like a full stomach. Imagine the bladder in there. It's pushing up the water to give it pressure, which is why you have a high stream and flow rate when you first turn it on, but as you begin to fill up glasses one after another, you notice that that stream starts getting smaller in diameter and slower to fill the glass. That's because you have exhausted the tank of its finished water, and it'll just get down to a trickle like that picture you saw earlier. That's what it really looks like when it's running operationally after you've exhausted this storage tank. Then that's how slow your reverse osmosis water is producing finished water, for those that have inquiring minds. Okay, the tank was last installed. You should handwrite. This one was built in 2014, and I think I said that mine was last installed in 2015 March. So I'm scrolling up with my wheel, March, and I'll take the 9th. That's fine. When was the unit last serviced? This is a non-serviceable component. Don't even bother trying to sanitize it for bacteria. It's going to develop bacteria over time. My recommendation is that you change this out every 2 years. They're cheap, ladies and gentlemen. This is like a $30 item if it's at this size. The biggest one that I had in a picture that I use for my students was about $50 or $60, and it was like 3 times this size capacity. It's non-serviceable. You're going to ignore that. If anything, the last time it was serviced was when it was installed, so you could put that. So again, you press the little calendar icon, you click this arrow, and then you scroll back. 15th, March 9th, click away, then we hit next. And now, a brief message from our sponsor at dailylivingwithwater.com. Hello, I'm Mike Rogers. If you like this video and want some help troubleshooting your water treatment system to get back to the best water flowing inside of your home and business, I've got good news for you. I've developed 2 remote troubleshooting support plans that you're absolutely going to love. Nobody else in the water treatment industry offers this valuable and exclusive service. This is a game changer the water treatment industry has never seen before. These per session plans are called Standard Remote Support by email and Priority Remote Support call. These per incident support troubleshooting sessions are offered remotely by email or through a video conference call, which is designed for more urgent situations. Whether you have a reverse osmosis or whole house water filtration or UV disinfection system or all of the above and more, I've got you covered. Whether you're on city water, groundwater well, or aquifer well, or a cistern water supply, you now have a friend in the water treatment system industry for education, support, and real-world solutions that won't break the bank. Both support plans are designed with you, the do-it-yourselfer, in mind to guide you through the steps combined with my input, having over 3 decades of experience in water treatment. Between you and I together, we can help you get your water treatment system back online fast and at a reasonable price. My global award-winning technical support experience of over 2 decades takes the complex and breaks it down patiently into a proven and simple step-by-step process. After you have solved the issue with my direction and your input and your hands, you'll be able to be the hero who protected everyone's water source under your roof. But I can't help you if you don't hire me. Just click the support link and order your remote support troubleshooting session with me right now. You'll be glad you did. In fact, the email support plan starts at just $99. Our 100% secure automated online ordering system is standing by 24/7, 365. Also, if you're thinking about designing a water treatment system for the first time or thinking about upgrading your current water treatment system project for home or office, or you just need an independent second opinion on your water test diagnosis, because there is no one-size-fits-all water treatment solution, I offer both independent water treatment design consultations and treatment plans that are customized to fit your specific home or business needs. Click on our Learn More link to see my digital learning products, training, services, and support specifically designed for the first time ever to empower the do-it-yourselfer. I've written books on the subject of water that are only available at dailylivingwithwater.com, with more publications coming soon. All offerings by dailylivingwithwater.com are exclusively designed for do-it-yourselfers, homeowners, renters, and business owners seeking affordable solutions to safe and effective water treatment for everyday use. It's a scary world out there with water issues in the headlines, which seems like nearly every week. Get peace of mind right now. Click those links to protect your home and your business water supply today. My name is Michael W. Rogers with dailylivingwithwater.com, and I approve this message.